We are given to understand that the victim in the assault, Tarun Tejpal sexual assault case, she has stepped down. The journalist has stepped down from Tehelka itself.
And she, of course, has said, and I'm quoting what she said, the organization has failed me. The victim, we are bringing to you the latest on the story, the victim of the sexual assault case has resigned from Tehelka magazine. She's also gone on to say that it is extremely difficult to work under these circumstances.
Mind you, ever since the time that the entire issue was reported, she had reported the matter to her managing editor Shoma Chaudhary. The victim has only claimed that she has been let down by the organization because the organization has not kept its promises. She had asked for an unconditional apology and a committee to be set that would probe the entire allegation and the entire incident and then come out with the right punishment for Tarun Tejpal. That has not happened, and then she's also claimed that that Tehelka and Tarun Tejpal and people close to the editor-in-chief are actually intimidating her and pressurizing her.
Well, Aditya is joining us on the phone line. Aditya, take us through the details we're getting at this point in time.
That's right. This is the big development at this moment. The Tehelka journalist has basically resigned. She has written a letter to all the editors of Tehelka and basically said that she's not very happy. She's not satisfied with the probe and the way the entire magazine has really behaved. It has been almost a week since she actually complained to the managing editor Shoma Chaudhary of Tehelka. But at this moment, the latest breaking news is that the Tehelka victim of sexual assault, of attempt to rape allegedly by Tarun Tejpal, a well-known editor, a high-profile editor, has resigned from the magazine, saying that she was not very really happy with the way things have really been moving. The organization has failed her, and it was impossible to work in such an organization which had not really stood up for her in these really trying times.